Hello, what's up, baby girls? What's poppin'? Welcome to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. So today I'm gonna be doing my hair, and I'm gonna be doing for this look. I'm gonna be doing like a doll look. But first, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my cute hairstyle, and then my makeup look is gonna be on the next video. If you're interested how I do this hair look, today's look, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe. So today I'm gonna be talking, so something new on YouTube. Make sure you guys go to Rumble. Rumble is usually where I post first and is main video, but today I'm gonna be talking here on YouTube. Alright, let's get ready for it. Let's start.
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
This right here is one of my favorite gels that I like to use. It lasts when I do my edges. Right now my hair looks crappy because I had I'm getting cold. Hold on, I'm gonna change shirt really quick. I'll be right back. I'm cold. Alright, my hair looks crazy. I have crazy hair and my hair is curly, so when I brush it, see, it gets all fluffy. So first we're gonna start brushing my hair. I'm just gonna get this liguita, and I'm just gonna start, grab a piece. Okay, and then I'm just gonna grab another piece and just brush it. And then put it this way, and then do the other side. Now put it together. Now we're gonna do the same to the other side. Now let's do this side. Let's brush it, brush it, brush it, brush it, brush it. Oh, I dropped my brush. I'm always dropping stuff, always. I hate it. What's on my hair? There's something on my hair. What the heck? Now I'm gonna grab the other side. You can hear the train. The train passes here every 15 minutes. I hate the damn train, but what can I do? Alright, just brush it, brush it, brush it. Alright, so there we go. So both sides are brushed. Now I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna brush them together from the back. Alrighty. Next, I got my bangs. I want some bangs, so I'm just gonna grab these bangs. Let's get this. Like that. Next, I'm just gonna brush my hair, rub it up. I'm just gonna be brushing it. Grab my hair all the way up. Next, I have a pink rubber band. And just do like that. But before I do that, I'm gonna, you see how some baby's hair, some hair sticking out? So I'm gonna grab some of this. Now I'm gonna do it with the rubber band. Like that. Do it like this. And I'm gonna stick my 2 thumbs this way in here. Bring it down. And this right here, it's gonna go in here. And then I got this rubber band. Bring it back this way. Pinch it. Pull it. There we go. We got this little, bring that down. Now I'm straightening my bangs.
Come on. Stop.
A toothbrush right here. This is what I use for my hair only. So here we go in with the gel. And I'm just gonna brush it up. Just doing this with the gel. And include it over here as well. Doing this. Now I'm gonna get my rubber band. Now I'm gonna do it like this. Now I'm gonna split it. I have my straightener, and I'm just gonna strain it. This part. And then I'm just doing the same thing to the other side over here. I'm just gonna grab this and brush it. And strain it. And it's gonna be straining it. And I'm just gonna brush it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna lift it up again. Now I'm just gonna brush it. Now I'm gonna get the. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna string it a little bit. Bring it down. Turn off. And that's it. It's a very easy look just to do this. Very easy. There's a lot of ways how to do a bowl, but this is one of them. This is a fast 5 minutes hairstyle. If you're running out late, you could do this on your child. There you go. Bam. So I'm finally done with my look. Next, I'm gonna be getting ready to do the doll look. If you're interested how I do that look, you already know what to do. See you guys on the next video. Thank you, baby girls, for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on TikTok. And I had to make a new Instagram, you guys, because I forgot my password and somehow I couldn't change my password because I don't know, it was too much shit. But anyways, I had to make a new one. So I'm gonna tag it down. I'm gonna tag it down my new Instagram. You guys can follow me. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out. Alright, thank you, baby girls, for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on Marisreviewchannel. See you guys next time. Peace out.